monthly. It's a bezel plan. Let's see what we got here. Have been waiting for it really long. And to open it all up. Perfect. Let's see what's in here. Good beer. Thank you for being the part of Alpha. Best wishes. Okay, let's see what's in here. Here we go. So, still I'll keep on guessing what's in this box. Let's see what comes out. Oh, what's this? Is that for you? Did you do it? Did you do this? Right?
No.
Really? Where's my watch? Where is it? Where is it?
Hi everyone. So my husband's monthly timepiece package has already arrived, as you can see, and he's really excited for it like a small baby. So I'm gonna be a little mischievous with him and have some fun.
Game begin.
So he's been talking about this package for the longest time and sharing all the stories with what people are receiving and all those videos that everyone's making and planning that how he's gonna make his unboxing video. He's gonna be really surprised with what he's gonna get. Let's see. Wow, I'm so excited. To be really careful. So now what I'm going to do is hide this special guy in somewhere in the kitchen where he's least expected to see it, and put this box in here and have some fun. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks perfect.
Finally, after a lot of hard work that my wife made me do, spent like 30 minutes in the kitchen, and I was finally able to find it out. Let's see what comes out.
Love you, baby.
Oh, that looks so cool.